friends coming over for the holidays, treat them to something special like this digestive-supporting cordial recipe. Herbs that are bitter help to support digestion, so I'm adding 1/4 to 1/3 teaspoon of each of my bitter herbs. I'm using gentian root, dandelion root, licorice root, and wild cherry bark. I'll also be adding 1 teaspoon each of orange peel, cardamom pods, hibiscus, elderflowers, and turkey rhubarb root for flavor. Today I used 2 cups of brandy, but you could also use vodka. And finally, I'm topping it off with a fresh sprig of rosemary and a few strips of fresh orange peel. Store your label jar in a dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. I already have a jar that's been sitting, so let's strain that. I'm adding in a pre-made simple syrup for sweetness. And don't forget to share with your friends.